Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to be filming you guys what I got from Sephora online. So I'm going to go with Danessa Myricks Beauty, one of the glitters. It's in Laser Beam. I got a Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. And peachy. And then I have a Makeup Forever paint palette. And then the last one I have in Glow Recipe and Strawberry HBA Pore Smoothing Blur Drops Serum. I've never tried anything like this from this brand, but I hear it's really good. So yeah, that is it for this very short haul. Just put that back in like so. I hope you guys like one of these short videos, and I'm waiting for my other delivery to get here, my order. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys all enjoy, and please give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so you can get notified. Talk to y'all later. Bye.